Well, it is now, let me see, it is exactly 7 minutes after 12, so we basically got 24 hours left of the storm. And just look at it out here. It is madness. I can't even see my tracks from before. I'm now, oh shit, can you see that? This is nuts. Holy shit. It's up past my boots. Oh, it's freaking incredible. Yep. And to think that we still got another 24 hours of this shit. I mean, what is it going to be like? Incredible. Wow. Yeah, I think you might be right, Porter. This is going to give the Honda some a hard time. Holy shit. And just look at what the plows out they're putting down here so far. I mean, she's, whoa, she's up there, right? Holy shit. It is wicked up. And we got 24 hours more of this. Insane. Epic storm. Holy shit. Like I mean, you've seen I've been walking out here, like my tracks are just disappearing. I mean, fuck. It is pretty exciting, but oh yeah. Oh, I gotta get my phone. So maybe I'll do a little walk around the back there, see how interesting it is here. But yeah, it's like Christmas for Tony. No other way of saying it. You wanted a fucking storm, Tony? Here's a storm for you. I mean, check that out. And just look at this, up past my boots. You can barely walk through it now. Holy fuck. I mean, look at this drift. And I just walked through this a short time ago. I guess I'm gonna have to put my snow pants on coming out here again. Check this drift out. I hope you can see it on camera. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, this is incredible. Let me go here. Yeah. Up to my knees. Yep. Of course, she's drifting in good there, and that's going to be the story for this. Is the winds are so high that the drifts are going to be wicked, right? I mean, check out the window. I'm obviously going to have to deal with that shit soon. Yeah. It's amazing. Fuck. What a storm. Epic. Best one I've seen yet. Well, no, I can't say yet, but since I've been in this house for sure. I mean, look at that freaking door here now. Ah, that's wicked. Not hearing the heat pump. Incredible. Oh, will the power go? Fuck, I hope it don't. Awesome to sit back and ride this with power. Man, I'm telling you, any snowblower is gonna have a hard time with this now, let alone 24 hours. That's what they're saying, that this is supposed to continue till dinner time tomorrow.